No, we are going to win Davangere because Shamnur Shivshankappa was a senior person who built Davangere, into not only in the state map, in the national map, in the international map, by establishing institutions, by creating that commerce industry here, and doing a lot of philanthropic works. He has been a very popular man, highly respected by the people of, not only in Davangere, the people of Karnataka. So his untimely demise, has caused this by-election, and Congress party, as per the feelings of the people of Davangere, we have given a ticket to his grandson. So with all this background and Congress party's performance, and a party which takes all caste, all religions along, which is a secular party, and Samarth's mother is a member of parliament. She was doing good work. Father, of course, is a politician since 2-3 decades. He's been a minister now. He's a district minister. They've done a lot of work like lake development, city development, and all other works. So definitely, Samarth is a young boy, is an enterprising boy. We will win by more than 50,000 votes in Davangere.
Sir,
and of course in Bagalkot also, we have H.Y. Meti's son, who was a very simple man, a person who was very connected to the people, with rural masses, all community people over there. And his son, Umesh Meti, has been given the ticket based on the followers of their H.Y. Meti party has given. But there also we are going to win the election by more than 50,000 votes.